I'm right.
No, you're wrong.
I'm right.
You are wrong, dude.
No, I am right.
No, you're left. You're wrong.
No, well, I'm right, but I'm wrong.
Correct.
Here are 8 lower body exercises you need to start doing right. Hi there, welcome. I'm Coach Tanya here at Criticalbench, joined by Coach Chris and Coach Brian, otherwise known as Right and Wrong. What we're going to show you in this video are 8 of the most commonly abused lower body exercises. You really need to start doing these right. So let's get right into it with the bodyweight squat. Okay, you can see why this is wrong. He's hunched over, he's curved. He did this, I don't know what this kind of warm-up thing was that he did, but really no benefit happening here, but potential for a lot of injury, strain, and just pain. Compared to Mr. Right, nice straight back, head neutral, a nice deep squat, very controlled. That's excellent. That's not so much. All right, so let's build on the squat. Because chances are, if your body weight squat is incorrect and not working for you, your jump squat is going to be equally as incorrect. So let's see the jump squat. Yeah, okay, thank you. That's good. All right, let's see it here. Okay, so basically his squat form, he's performing it equally as well in his jump squat. He's just adding the jump. So a powerful push up off the floor and coming down into that solid position, and this is how you play hopscotch.
That's a Mike Zane kick.
All right, now let's go into deadlifts, shall we? Let's see your deadlift. Now deadlifts are one of my favorite lower body exercises to do. And this one, just before we see the example, this one you really want to pay attention, make sure, I mean with all your exercises you want to make sure you're executing proper form and technique. But deadlift being a bigger compound, movement, you have to be very careful. If you're not sure how to perform it, start with just a bar, because the potential for injury and hurting yourself in a deadlift with weight and not knowing what you're doing is really high. So, all right, show us what you got. Okay, stop. So he's putting an awful lot of strain on his lower back by not utilizing his legs. That's okay, I'm getting very concerned here. And when he's coming up, he's not coming up straight, he's pushing those hips forward. He's gonna end up really hurting himself. Let's get Mr. Right in here to show us how to properly do a deadlift. Okay, so feet shoulder width apart, bar right up close to his shins, knees bent, back straight, and he just lifts up, driving up through the heels. So not putting a lot of excess strain on his lower back. Okay. Excellent. And the bar, if you were to watch from the side, you can see the bars going in a straight line up and back down to the floor, which is another indication of how correctly you're performing the exercise. Good job. So another variation of a deadlift is the single leg Romanian deadlift. So let's see your single leg Romanian deadlift. Okay, so about the only part he's got nailed down correctly is he's doing it with a single leg, but his hips are rotated out, so he's almost coming down at the side instead of down square onto that front foot. And he's, again, just moving really quick. He's just moving back like those birds tipping on a glass, right? That's okay. All right, let's see you do your single leg deadlift, Mr. Right. Okay, hips are nice and square, facing front. That arm out is going to help with balance. He's moving nice and slow, so executing a full range of motion. Back is kept straight. That bend in the back leg is absolutely fine, but he's in control of the movement, performing it properly. This is how you do a single leg Romanian deadlift. Good work. Okay, we love kettlebells here at the compound, and one of our favorite lower body movements is kettlebell swing. So step on up to the kettlebell. Show us your swing. Okay, I don't know what that is. It's not a swing. He is, I'll give you credit lifting the kettlebell off the floor, but this is not actually a kettlebell swing. And yeah, okay, thank you. That's a great bad example. Let's see another one. Okay, so you notice right away there's control in this movement. Back is straight, good breathing, coming through, bending the knees, coming through the legs, and right and wrong. Less chance of injury, significant chance of injury. Thanks, boys. So let's move into hip thrusts. Let's go. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
What's he doing wrong?
He's doing lots wrong. Look at this. He's actually coming up off the floor, pushing himself back. He's lots of hyperextension. This is not a hip. He's using more of his back than he is of his glutes. So just stop. Just stop.
That was so awkward.
That's the other channel.
I am wrong in so many ways.
All right, let's see this. So shoulders on the bench. Okay, arms out, feet nice and flat, and just lifting. So the movement is strictly within this hip pelvic girdle area. So lowering down, coming up to the top, giving a nice tight squeeze before lowering down. That's how you do a hip thrust. Good job. Okay, let's do some lunges now, starting with a lateral lunge. So coming out to the side. Now lunges are great lower body exercises, but a lot of times they're performed incorrectly, and where people end up having a lot of issues with their hips and their knees, which is why this is some kind of a Frogger, sideways, dropped a rock kind of thing, but completely unstable. Poor posture, curved back, bent knees, coming in on the ankles, the list goes on and on and on. So another great bad example. Okay, so let's see a proper, now he's canoeing, let's see a proper lateral lunge. Okay, nice step out, step out. This foot staying anchored. The only movement is stepping out away from, we'll call it like where he's starting. Knees aren't coming out past his toe. He's keeping his back straight, keeping that head neutral. Very controlled. Pushing off the outstepping foot. Back to center. Good job. Nicely done. Nicely done. All right, so that's a lateral lunge. Let's go into a forward lunge. Okay. Okay, so this is actually a cross between a crawl and a walk. Hunched over. Oh, you poor thing. Okay, all right.
Let me try
one more time. Let's see this. Okay, well, he's increased his length of step, but still an excellent bad example. So let's see a good example of a proper forward lunge. Yeah, see that? Okay, all right. So a large step, but not overstepping. Bringing that knee down, but not hitting the floor. Keeping his back straight. Again, head neutral. Keeping that head neutral really helps with your balance so that you're more stable doing the forward lunge walking. Yeah, nice job. Very nice job. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I'm Coach Tanya here at Critical Bench, joined by Coach Chris and Coach... Get him out of here, okay? And those are the 8 most abused lower body exercises. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And hey, click that pinned comment below for the free 5-minute glute workout. You're gonna love it. Make sure you also click the subscription button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our great video content. Coach Tanya, once again, have an awesome day.